And now to my fans and to my friends, cheerleader Melissa raises money for the San Francisco AIDS Walk Foundation. I've already started my fundraising now. So go to my Twitter page. I promote a lot about it. It's an excellent, excellent cause, supporting those who are in need of medical supplies or medical assistance. AIDS Walk Foundation, San Francisco. I'll be walking on July 20th. It's a really, really good fundraiser, and I would absolutely love your support. Also,
all that information is on your website?
Yes, all the information on my website is on my Twitter account. And for matches, entertainment, for all your #1 need for matches, go to www.clickwrestle.com. All Shimmer's on there, all my matches on there. It's the #1 website for video download.
And also, don't forget the Lucha Connection.
Oh, how could I possibly forget the Lucha Connect?
That's it. Thank you very much for having us.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Ahí nos vemos, amigos.
Adiós.